So walking down the upgraded Liffey Street, which is pedestrianised, sweeping the cane left to right. I'm walking in a kind of a channel and sweeping my cane left to right. There's pillars, bollards every so often. There's kind of an ankle height bed for flowers and stuff. Sweeping the cane left and right. And we're in the drainage channel still, or what I think is a drainage channel. And we've got a bollard there. We're keeping away from that sign that's jagged. And if we go to the left hand side here, there's about 4 or 5 rows of tactile to bring you past the entrance to Arnotts. So that's at the kind of entrance to Arnotts. You've got tactile underfoot, sweeping the cane left to right. That'll bring us down to the end of the junction. And if you do choose to walk in the middle of the street, there's a drainage channel and bollards and things, but you can walk in ashore to keep on track. So tactile is underfoot. That's just brought me down to the junction, and there's a crossing point now. I can feel the dish. Press the button and I should be across in a few moments.